Hey, what's going on, guys? How are y'all doing today? Today, we're back with another reaction video. This one is going to be to Andy Mineo, or Andy Mineo. And this is going to be to his song KIDZ that he did with Wordsplayed, Magic, and Bird. So without any further ado, let's just jump into it.
Okay guys, like I mentioned before, we have to work together.
I know you guys are working, we got a new song. Feel free to turn up by yourself, independently, or corporately. Such a good song. We gotta do a video. If we don't get a video for that song, we'll eat your beard. I like it. Where's Zeke? Zeke. He's supposed to write a treatment for us. Zeke! Where's this kid? 10K a year. You think he has some pep in his step? Guys, I'm sorry. We're getting audited. I'm trying to find receipts. My valves are a mess. We just need a treatment and we need it now. We'll shoot the video at a Waffle House in a Lincoln Navigator.
They actually went with that idea. That's hilarious.
All of a sudden labels jocking, asking for another option. Coppers asking why I'm speeding minor league. Major Deegan try and take them to the precinct. Lawyer said you need a reason. Spot to get on Spotify. Seen the numbers, they don't lie. Yellow birdie in the logo. We on 2 plus the Ocho. High stakes and my funds low. Honeymoon in the bungalow. No shirt, just the gun show. Man, I'm flexing on my exes. I'm in the pocket like bread. Magic and bird like the 80s. Starting but don't try and play. Then I went ghost like I'm Swayze. Two-tone in the paddock on, that's beach and navy. Hasselhoff on the slow mode, I set you wavy. And I wrist. I know there's opposition, but it's switch. I know you seen them do it, but not like this. Money make you or it break you. Take the game before it take you lo-fi. I do it for you. Young man, always surfing, no waves. I do it for the kids.
All for the youngest, young man, always surfing, no waves. I do it for the kids.
They wanna know who I do it for.
Who I do it for?
I do it all, do it for the kids.
They wanna know who I do it for. Yeah, I do it all. Yeah, I do it for the kids. Right here for the kids. Yeah, I know what they want. I'ma give them what they need. Yeah, I've been real from the jump. I don't like fake around me. Throw dudes like Kyrie. One girl, no side piece. I call that fine by me. Living like I'm never gonna die. Hate you, man, I know they gon' try. You don't ever pay them no mind. If you did, they have a gold mine. If you like what you like, then you don't need no cosign. No business, this show business. Stay on the man in this showtime. I'm in the pocket like Brady. Magic and bird like the 80s. Kobe, I might put a 80. Look on these Jesus can save me. I know the way. Look, ain't nothing to say to me. I'm about to break. Somebody come pray for me. I got this great in me. I got to get it, cause that's what I'm made to be. I cannot focus, man. I got the ADD. I'm getting bigger. Just look how she played at me. Don't get lost in the sauce. Take that from a veteran. Like a dog ball when the Spanish home is on everything.
Young man, always surfing, no waves. I do it for the kids.
All for the youngest, young man, always surfing, no waves. I do it for the kids.
They wanna know who I do it for. I do it all, do it for the kids.
They wanna know who I do it for. I do it all. Yeah, I do it for the kids.
that TV right now. I'm good for it. Say I won't. I'll do it.
I will eat ground coffee beans for a month. I will digest a beats pill in my
I've
mouth.
seen you do it. If we don't get a video for this song, no more toilet paper. I'm done with it. Cut it out entirely.
Straight hands.
CJ! God.
What is this kid?
15K a year. 20 grand a year. 20 grand
And this is kind of...
bi-yearly. 12,000 a year Canadian. 11K a year.
Guys, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. We're getting... Did I say I'm sorry. We're getting audited.
He said it again.
Alright. Oh, man. You probably could tell in the reaction I wasn't really feeling that song too much. The second verse I got better, I felt like, than the first verse. The first verse just kind of felt like almost mumble rap in a way, but I could actually understand what he was saying, but it was just, I don't know, I wasn't rocking with that song too much. But anyway, guys, I guess that's going to do it for this reaction video. Thank you, guys. If you made it this far, feel free to hit that like button down below if you want to. If you didn't like it, feel free to hit that dislike button. If you have anything to say, please leave that in the comment section below. And if you have anything you'd like to see me react to next, also, please leave that in the comment section. But as anyways, guys, like always, see y'all later.